All right, good morning, everyone. So sitting down here, red on the morning so far on SRRA. Got a couple good trades on it, but then gave back my profit buying this dip off of 24 on this pullback. So we'll keep it on watch. The high was 24.96. It's interesting, but needs to hold these levels. Has room back up here towards 26 and then 28 and 30. Right now it's above the VWAP and we need to see that it can hold this level. So this one is on watch. ANVS popped up for a second there, light volume stock. It's a 5.6 million share float, up 14% right now. APM is a little on the cheaper side, below VWAP, so I don't like that one as much. BALY, this one has a slightly higher float, slightly higher price as well. So watching SRRA to see if there's more opportunities on it. The high back here was 24.20. It's a little premature on the 5-minute because of that red candle. But then you see that 20,000 share bid there. So starter for me, 24.11. As long as we keep seeing those big bids, then add would be 40. Added there 40. Next add would be 55. Right? So if this wants to curl up off of that support level, let's give it a chance to see if we can get that break through 24.50. There was a 20,000 share bid that just popped up. So watching over 24.50. My average is 24.16. And then we would look for a squeeze through 25 if we can break through that level. So added right there. Now looking for the squeeze through 55. Nice, there's 50 on the ask. Next add is 55 for the breakthrough 60. And I'm going to try to start getting dialed in on this for the 1-minute ABCD pattern and then the breakthrough, the high of day. This one's holding above VWAP. So I'm going to put my new order at 24.65 so I can do 65, 75, 85 add as we come back up. VWAP 23.32, so we've got some room. Yeah, high pre-market high is 30. I was high of this level. That's the break I'm looking for. The break through 25, 24.96, 25. So we'll watch dips off of 24 and then the break through 24.50. Holding smaller size right now with an average of 24.16. Reminder for those tuning in on YouTube, in case you didn't already know, trading is risky. Most beginner traders do lose money, so approach trading with caution. I am red on the day, but trading the leading gapper in the entire market, which is up 56% on news, and looking to see if we get an opportunity for this. If we do break through 25, because we do have that pre-market high of basically 30, that could become kind of a psychological target. So this right here is an ABCD pattern. Watch for the add over 48. So added there at 47. Nice. Now let's see if we can get another trade through. Let's see, 65.70. My average is 24.28. So we'll watch for dips. And then 24.57. New order goes at 24.60. Well, the 5-minute high is 57. So first 5-minute candle to make a new high is what we'll be watching. So we'll watch dips off of the 20 moving average, which is around 23.87. Added at 24.05. 20,000 share buyer, added again there, 24. This is coming down towards our 20 moving average. So these are nice dip trades. Bottoming tail. And then over the high of this candle, 38 would be a possible add for a move back up to 24.50. So let's watch 38. All right, high of this candle, 38. Watching for my add, putting the order at 42 for a little offset. Back to flat on it, taking the loss. Can look to add back if it bases out here. The 5-minute setup is through 57. Put up my disclaimers, a reminder for those tuning in on YouTube, in case you didn't already know, trading is risky. Most beginner traders lose money, so trade cautiously. Don't trade money you can't afford to lose. Dip trade at 77 on the bottoming tail. On these types of dips, pop back up to 90, 95 is 20 cents, 15 cents. See how the bottoming tail forms, and then what you generally would look for is to see if you get a first candle to make a new high, because you have 4 red candles in a row. So first candle to make a new high, then back over 24. So see how that's a green bottoming tail? High is 24.19. So that's almost 20 cents right there, and that's about 30 cents. So not a huge trade, but a decent dip trade. We've still got our 5-minute setup forming, so we have multi-time frame alignment. It's holding above VWAP, which is good, but it's obviously choppy. This was a double bottom right there. Nice, George. Good work. So we're back over 24. Dip trade at 24.01. Buying the dip. High of this candle is 24.18. So look for 24.18, 24.20. and then a break through this level up here, 57, then 96. So average is 2401, starting to get dialed in. I want to see a break through 2418. We're up 54%, which is decent. So right now we've got about 4 minutes to the bell. SRRA is our leading gapper. So I'm going to be watching it into the open. Ideally, we would be opening maybe between 2350 and 2375, so we could take a break of 24, 50, 24.75, so we could take a break of 25 at the open. We're in a little bit of a wedge here. Added 86. Brings my average down to 98. Just trying to buy the dips on it, looking for the break. An add spot will be 18. So added there at 24.18 to anticipate the break through 24.25. And then over 25, 35, 45, then we'll look for the squeeze back through 24, 50, 60. So watch 25 to break. I'm going to be a buyer over 24, 25. So nice dip entry, nice on the dips at 92 and in the 80s. Now we want to see that follow through over 24.18 and 24.20. We're right at the top of the wedge coming into the apex with 2 minutes to the bell. First 5-minute candle to make a new high is going to be 24.48. Still trading with smaller size until we break through 24.75, 24.85. And then would size up for the break of 25 and a move up towards 26. So watch up here as we come back up to 24.20. My add spot is 24.25. So watching to anticipate the break of 25. High of this candle is 18. We've got about 30 seconds to the bell. So what I'm looking for at the open is the breakthrough 24.25 and a squeeze up to 24.50. So we'll use my profit target hotkeys. Watching over 17.18. I think the break of 24.20 is the critical spot right here. Those tuning in on YouTube will end the broadcast shortly. So let's watch here for the breakthrough 24.15. Added there at 15. Next add is 45. Watching 24.45. flat at 24.06. There's a buyer there though. See that buyer? But then it comes back down. Watching dip trade at 61, just a starter. This is the VWAP right down here. So this could be a good spot for an entry and then an ad over $24. So watching 24 and 24.10 for ads. Cut it at 67 for 7 cents profit. TKLF on the scanner. I see that the halt level's 82. Quick long there at 67 up to the halt. That's just a quick trade. $500. I wouldn't probably hold a large size going into the halt, so sizing down. SRRA, that was a good dip off the VWAP, but it didn't rip into a red to green right away. So just taking it off the table there at 67 and letting it pull back. TKLF was on our side chart for a dead cat bounce. It's not my favorite setup, but got a little trade on it. Average is 67. We'll watch dip and rip on resumption. All right, so for those on YouTube, you got a couple trades today as I recovered some of my losses, still down 1,400 on the day, but we'll continue actively trading for students in the chat room. So I hope you guys tune in, and I will see you for the morning show, as always, again tomorrow morning, 9:15.